Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning it's my pleasure to be visiting with LaToya Drake. She's the Family and Consumer Sciences Agent in Barren County. Good morning, LaToya.
Good morning, Kristi. Thank you for having me.
I'm so glad that you are here. And LaToya, it always seems like you are fixing something delicious in your kitchen, and today you are fixing something for us on the show.
Yes, I love to cook, and one of my favorite things to cook and to eat is potatoes. And September is National Potato Month. There's always a reason to celebrate, even in the bad times. We can celebrate food and we can celebrate potatoes. I love potatoes so much because you can roast them, you can fry them, you can mash them, you can do so many things with this versatile vegetable, and I just love the flavor of potatoes.
And LaToya, potatoes are actually full of nutrients. It's really interesting to think about because sometimes we think of our mashed potatoes and our French fries, which are delicious comfort foods, but potatoes really have so much nutrients.
You know, potatoes are one of the oldest vegetables that we have cultivated, Kristi. You know, thinking about potatoes, you should think about the varieties and how you use them and how you cook. There are two main varieties and one or types and one in between. There's a starchy potato, Kristi, like a russet or Idaho, and those are more starch and fluffy. They're good for mashing, for boiling, because they don't hold their shape as well. We have a waxy potato, like the one that I use here today. Those potatoes are like your reds, and they are your new potatoes. They hold their shape. They're great for au gratins. They're great for casseroles. They're great for potato salads. And then you have a mid potato, which is an all-purpose. And that's like your Yukon Golds. And you can do a bit of everything with those kind of potatoes, right? So any potato that you use is going to have maximum nutrition when you keep those skins on and keep that fiber on. So when you are eating your potatoes, to get the most nutrients from them, you want to keep the skin on. A medium-sized baked potato, Kristi, has about 100 calories without all those extra toppings. Potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and complex carbohydrates. A medium potato has the same vitamin C as a tomato.
Wow, that is awesome.
Right? So just keep the skins on and eat those potatoes. Make sure you're storing them properly. You want to keep them in a dark, cool place with relatively good humidity.
What are you making for us today?
What am I making? Blue cheese potato salad. Pumped about it. One of our plated up Kentucky Proud recipes. These recipes are really inspirational for cooking at home and getting in your kitchen. I've got some new potatoes. They've been sitting a little bit. But we're going to smash them up a little bit because I like my potato salad to be a little smashed.
Now, LaToya, did you boil your potatoes first?
I did. I boiled them. The skin's still on to keep that good nutrients. And this blue cheese one, it calls for 3 pounds new potatoes sliced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup sliced green onions, 1 ounce container plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground pepper, 1/2 cup light blue cheese dressing, and 1/2 cup crumbled blue cheese. So let's just dump all this in and see how this looks.
Those are some of my favorite recipes where you can just dump and then mix it all together.
I know, this one would be great for a barbecue, right? Because it's a different flavor, hearty potato salad.
I am excited about this recipe because it gives it a little bit of a different flavor than your typical potato salad. Now, LaToya, if someone is watching and they want this recipe, how can they get their hands on it?
Look at this mixing up. You can get your hands on this tasty recipe at your local county extension service in all 120 counties in Kentucky.
Oh, well, LaToya, it looks delicious. I wish I was there with you to taste test it.
Yes, it looks awesome. I'm so excited to try this. This would be great topped with bacon. I hope that you guys will try it.
All right, LaToya, well, thank you so much for being here today. If you would like to try this delicious plated up Kentucky Proud recipe, be sure to contact your local extension office. Have a great day.